Langsomt.
The Bill of Rights is the foundation of the American dream. The Bill of Rights secures equal rights for all the American citizens. Every individual must have liberty and the ability to achieve prosperity through hard work. The Bill of Rights makes sure that democracy is maintained, which is a safeguard for the American citizens' equal rights. As Amendment number 9 says, the enumeration in the Constitution of certain rights shall not be construed to deny or disparage others retained by the people. The American dream is that dream of a land in which life should be better, richer, and fuller for everyone, with opportunity for each according to ability or achievement. The Bill of Rights was made with the wish of being able to achieve the American dream.